excuse me. Do you sell drinks?
Hi, miss. Yes, of course.
It's really hot today. I'm so thirsty.
Want something cold?
Yes, please. What do you have?
I have water, orange juice, iced tea, soda.
Is the water cold?
Yes, it's in the fridge. A small bottle.
And the orange juice, is it fresh?
Yes, pressed this morning.
Sounds nice. How much is it?
Water is $1. Orange juice is $2.50.
I'll take the orange juice then.
Great choice. With ice or no ice?
With ice, please.
Here you go. Nice and cold.
Thanks. Do you have a straw?
Yes, sure. Here's a paper straw.
Perfect. Are you here every day?
Yes, except when it rains.
Do you get many customers?
Yes, mostly between 3 and 5 p.m.
I'm not surprised. It's so hot.
Yes, people always want a drink or some ice cream.
Oh, you have ice cream too?
Yes, but it goes fast.
I'll come back later then.
Good idea. And here's your change.
Thank you.
Do you come to this beach a lot?
No, it's my first time. I'm on vacation.
Welcome then.
Thanks. It's very pretty here.
Yes, and the water is clean today.
I'll swim after my drink.
Watch out for the sun. It's strong.
Yes, I put on sunscreen.
Good. Enjoy the sun and your juice.
Thanks a lot. Maybe see you later.
You're welcome. See you.
Looking for a spot on the beach.
Hi, excuse me. Is this spot free?
Hi, yes, sure, have a seat.
Thanks a lot. So many people today.
Yeah, it's Sunday and the weather is great.
Do you come here often?
Yes, almost every weekend.
It's my first time here.
Are you on vacation?
Yes, I'm spending a week in Miami.
Welcome then. Do you like the ocean?
Yes, a lot. Is the water warm today?
Not really, but it feels nice.
Great, I may swim later.
Did you come alone?
Yes, my friends are coming later.
Do you have sunscreen? The sun is strong.
Yes, of course, I always use it.
Good. I forgot mine this morning.
Oh no, do you want some?
That's kind of you, thanks. Just a little for my face.
Here you go.
Thanks so much.
You're welcome. Will you stay long?
Just for the afternoon. And you?
Me too. After, I'll get some ice cream on the boardwalk.
Good idea. Is there a good ice cream shop?
Yes, right next to the pier.
I may go there too.
What flavors do you like?
Strawberry and lemon. And you?
Me, chocolate always.
Classic, but good.
Do you want some water? I have a cold bottle.
Thanks, that's nice, but I have mine too.
All right, thanks again for the spot.
You're welcome. Have a good afternoon.
Thanks, you too.
Renting an umbrella.
Hi, do you rent umbrellas?
Hi, yes, I do. Do you want one?
Yes, please. The sun is very strong today.
You're right. It's really hot this afternoon.
How much for one umbrella?
$5 for the whole day.
Okay, can I take it now?
Sure. You can choose the one you like.
The blue striped one, is it free?
Yes, it's available.
Great. Is it easy to set up?
Yes, I can help if you want.
Thanks, that would be nice.
Are you here alone?
No, I'm with a friend. She comes in 10 minutes.
Okay, should I set the umbrella for you?
Yes, please. Do you also rent chairs?
Yes, $5 each.
No thanks, just the umbrella.
All right. Do you pay now or later?
I prefer to pay now.
Great. $5, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
And if I keep it tomorrow?
No problem. Just come back in the morning.
Do I pay 5 again?
Yes, 5 per day.
Okay, I'll decide tomorrow.
Are you staying here long?
3 more days. I want to enjoy the ocean.
Good choice. The beach is beautiful this week.
Yes, the water is perfect too.
Perfect. Enjoy your umbrella and the shade.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Maybe see you later.
Yes, see you.
Asking for the bathroom and shower.
Hi, excuse me.
Hi, yes? Can I help?
Yes, please. Where is the bathroom?
The bathroom is behind the white building over there.
Next to the lifeguard?
Yes. Do you see the red flag?
Yes, I see it. Thanks. Is it free?
Yes, it's free.
Great. Is there a shower too?
Yes, one near the beach entrance.
Oh, by the parking lot?
Yes, just on the right.
Perfect. Is the water cold?
A little, but it feels good.
Yeah, I still have sand everywhere.
The shower will help.
Do I press a button?
Yes, a gray button in the middle.
Okay, very easy.
Are you here all day?
Yes, I'm enjoying the sun.
The weather is great today.
Yes, but a bit too hot.
Do you have an umbrella?
No, but I sit in the shade.
Good idea. Drink water too.
Yes, I have a big bottle.
Perfect. And there's a small snack bar behind.
Oh, thanks. I want ice cream.
The ice cream is good here.
I'll use the bathroom first, then the shower.
Good. Just follow the signs.
Thanks for the help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Thanks, you too.
See you later.
Problem with the waves.
Hi, sir. Are you the lifeguard?
Hi. Yes, that's me. Do you have a question?
Yes. I see a lot of waves today.
That's right. The ocean is a bit rough.
Can I swim?
Yes, but be careful.
I'm alone. Is that a problem?
It's better to swim with a friend.
I'll stay near the shore. Is that okay?
Yes, very good. Don't go far.
The flag is yellow, right?
Yes. Yellow means you can swim, but be careful.
And red means no swimming?
Yes, red equals swimming not allowed.
Okay, will the waves go away soon?
Maybe later in the afternoon. We hope so.
I saw a kid swimming a little far.
Thanks, I'll check. We watch everyone.
Do you work all day?
Yes, from 9 to 6.
Are there jellyfish today?
No, not today.
Great. One time I got stung.
Ouch! Here we warn people if there are any.
Thanks. I'll just walk in the water.
That's perfect, especially with these waves.
And if I have a problem?
Shout or raise your arms. I'll come right away.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy the water.
Thanks, and thanks for your work.
My pleasure. Have a good day.
Have a good day, sir.